All right, hello. I am doing the oral presentation on video again. And this is the problem I'm going to be explaining this time. It's sine x times tan x plus cosine x. And I'm just going to simplify it and do the process for it. So, first of all, tangent can be simplified into sine over cosine, and then sine can be simplified into sine x over 1. So what we can write is this. Or 1 plus cosine x. So then once we have this, with this, we can multiply across into the fraction, and we get sine to the second x over cosine x plus cosine x. So from here, we want to get rid of the sine squared on the top, and, from the Pythagorean theorem here, sine 2x plus cosine 2x equals 1. We can see that if we subtract cosine, we get sine 2x equals 1 minus cosine 2x. It's a bit gross, but whatever. So then we can substitute that on the top, and we get 1 minus cosine 2x over cosine x plus cosine x. All right, so from here, since we have a binomial on the top in the numerator, we can separate it into two different fractions. So it can just become 1 over cosine x minus, because, minus sign right there, cosine 2x over cosine x. Plus cosine x, that's no. So from here, this right here can just be simplified into minus cosine, because it's cosine to the second divided by cosine. It's just 1 cosine. So you have 1 over cosine x minus cosine x plus cosine x. These two on the bottom, well, they cancel out. So then you're just left with 1 cosine x, which through identities is secant x, and that is the answer. So there you go. Hopefully that was visible enough to read. I explained that well. So cool. Looks good.